how to edit text on Wix. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you quickly how you can edit text on your Wix website. The process is very simple. Simply open up your Wix website, and then after that simply go to your website, simply click on edit site, and then that's gonna take you over to another page. So as soon as you guys come over to this another page, this is gonna be the page through which you guys can actually modify the contents of your website. So let's just give Wix a few moments, and then eventually our page is gonna be in front of us. So now from over here, simply double click on any text that you guys want to edit, and then this particular box will come up. Now from over here, you can change the theme, you can change the fonts, you can change whatever you want, and then the text is gonna take that shape, size, and font. You guys can also underline, make it italic, bold, whatever you wanna do, you can do that. You can also add in effects as well. You can modify the character line and spacing, the vertical text, the SEO, and accessibility as well. And of course, you guys can simply type on your keyboard whatever you want, and then that is gonna appear over here. So guys, that is how easy it is to edit text on Wix. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.